Hey guys, you locked yourself out. Breathe. This is flexible. I'll walk you through the every legit route, step by step, with the messy bits up front. If you don't know the device passcode, you will erase the iPhone to remove the passcode. There is no backdoor app, Apple gives you that, there's no backdoor Apple gives you that keeps your data and removes the passcode unless you have a backup or the device is already trusted by a computer. Right? I will cover every method possible and how to save what you can. Right? Exact button sequences and recovery tips. So, TLDR, if possible, backup first. Only possible if your iPhone is trusted by a computer. Use Find My or iCloud to erase remotely. Needs device online and iCloud enabled. Use recovery mode plus Finder or iTunes to erase and reinstall iOS. Works offline. If all else fails, Apple support or store can help if you prove ownership. After erase, restore from backup, iCloud or computer, or set up as new. Important realities, so you don't get burned. Erasing is required to remove the passcode. This means, that means lost local data unless you have a backup, iCloud or computer. Backups made after you locked the iPhone. So, i.e., while it's locked, can't be made unless the phone is unlocked or trusted by a computer previously. After erasing, activation lock, Find My tied to Apple ID may trigger. You'll need the Apple ID or password used on the device to reactivate. Keep that in mind. So keep that in mind. Don't use sketchy unlock tools or paid hacks. They are unreliable, often malware, and may break the phone. I'll mention reputable third-party tools only as a last resort and with warnings. So, option A, if the iPhone is connected and trusted by a computer already, connect your iPhone to the last or to that computer, right? You're gonna use USB. Let me type, USB cable. And open Finder, a macOS Catalina or later, or iTunes on Windows or older macOS. If the phone appears and you can access device options, make a backup now. Choose encrypted backup to save passwords and health. If backup succeeds, great. You can erase safely and restore later. To erase, use the same computer to restore iPhone, Finder or iTunes. This will download and reinstall iOS and wipe the iPhone or wipe the phone. After restore, you can choose your backup to restore data. If the phone asks you to unlock the device to trust the computer, you're out of luck. You must go to recovery mode, which leads us to option C, but you will go through it. Let's now go with option B. Erase remotely via iCloud. Or Find My, easiest if the device is online. This method works when Find My iPhone was enabled and the device is currently online. From another device or computer, go to iCloud.com find and sign in with the Apple ID used on the locked iPhone. Click all devices and choose the locked iPhone. And click erase iPhone and then hit confirm. This will erase the iPhone remotely when it's online. After erase finishes, set up the iPhone. You'll be prompted for the Apple ID and password used to enable Find My or activation lock. Sign in to remove activation lock. Restore from an iCloud backup if you have one during setup. If the phone is offline, choose erase when online. It will erase once the device reconnects. Option C, recovery mode and restore using Finder or on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Universal and reliable. This method reinstalls iOS and erases the device. Works even if you don't have the Apple ID password for the device at that moment. You will need it after erase if activation lock is enabled. So, A Mac or PC with internet and latest Finder or iTunes, a cable, and know your Apple ID credentials, activation lock cleanup. Put the phone into recovery mode, like choose your model, iPhone 8 or and later, right? Includes X, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 series. Connect your phone to computer. Press volume up quickly and then volume down quickly. Press and hold side power button until the recovery mode screen appears. Screen with cable and laptop icon. On Finder or iTunes, you will see a message. There is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated or restored. Choose Restore. Finder or iTunes will download the iOS and reinstall. This erases device. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, connect the computer, press and hold side plus volume down together until recovery screen appears. Restore via Finder or iTunes. iPhone 6 and later with home button, connect to a computer, press and hold home plus side or top until recovery screen appears. Restore via Finder or iTunes. If the download takes more than 15 minutes and the device exits recovery mode, let the download finish, and then then re-enter recovery mode and try again. After restore complete, the phone restarts and you set it up anew. If activation lock is present, you must sign up or sign in with the Apple ID that's linked to the device. Option D, erase using the iPhone settings only if you remember Apple ID password and the phone is unlocked. Not applicable when locked. This is not for the currently locked scenario, but if the phone is temporarily accessible or you have alternative authentication, go ahead to the settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, and then you're gonna hit erase all content. Okay, this needs the device to be unlocked. Option E, if you forgot Apple ID password too, if you can't sign into Apple ID or activation lock, you must recover or reset Apple ID password. Visit iforgot.apple.com. Excuse me. iforgot.apple. Yeah. Okay, wait for a few moments and follow the prompts to reset the Apple ID password using the email or phone or account recovery. If account recovery is required, it can take days. Plan accordingly. If you can't recover the Apple ID, you will need Apple support help with proof of purchase to remove activation lock. See option see your options basically. Option F, right? DFU mode or deeper restore if recovery mode fails. DFU stands for device firmware update mode, reloads firmware and can fix deeper issues. Use only if normal restore fails, right? For iPhone 8 and later, connect to a computer, quick press volume up, quick press volume down, hold side button for 10 seconds. While holding side, press and hold volume down for 5 seconds, then release side, but continue holding volume down for 10 more seconds. If screen stays black and Finder or iTunes detects a device in recovery or DFU, you proceed to restore. For iPhone 7 and 6 and later, hold home plus side for 10 seconds, release side, keep holding home until Finder or iTunes detects device. Restore via Finder or iTunes when detected. Okay, so option G, go to Apple Store or Apple Support if you can prove ownership. If the device is activation locked and you can't recover Apple ID, Apple may remove the lock if you prove original proof of purchase, receipt with serial number, and a valid ID. Contact Apple Support or visit Apple Store appointment, right? Type Apple Support. Okay. Bring original receipt, box, serial, photo ID, and explain the situation. Apple's policies vary by region. They may refuse without sufficient proof. Okay, after erasing, during setup, choose restore from iCloud backup if available, or restore from Mac or PC backup. If no backup exists, choose setup as new iPhone and manually re-download apps and data from iCloud or other devices. Okay. Common errors like 3194, 4013, 4014 in iTunes or Finder, often USB issues or unsigned IPSW. If you're using third-party method, try a different cable, port, or computer, or let Finder or iTunes download software automatically. If your store fails repeatedly, try DFU mode. Device still asks for previous Apple ID at setup. That's activation lock. You need the Apple ID password or Apple support intervention. iPhone stuck on Apple logo. That's a common issue. Try recovery mode, restore, or DFU. Maybe you cannot put iPhone into recovery or DFU mode. Follow exact time steps. Try again or use a different computer or cable. Okay, so losing your passcode is annoying but fixable. The honest bottom line, you will likely erase the phone to remove the passcode. The only way to keep your data intact is if you already have a backup or your device trusted by a computer, right? Play it calm, follow the recovery mode steps, and if activation lock blocks you later, use Apple ID recovery or Apple support with proof of purchase. Okay, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.